It's mid-November here in South Carolina. I am sitting on the shoreline of Lake Murray, facing west. We get a lot of lake winds from the west, and we've got 30-degree temperatures coming up, and it's time to drain the irrigation pump.
Sorry for the poor audio. What I'm trying to say is this video is going to be on how to drain your irrigation pump and winterize it. Thanks. This particular pump has two drain screws. The bottom one is what I use to drain the line. In my yard, the irrigation system is all uphill, so I want to make sure that I drain it completely, because just draining the pump in itself is not going to prevent things from cracking. So I'll drain the bottom, open the bottom screw. This is a 9/16 on this particular pump. But drain the pump, and I'll also open the PVC cap just to vent it and let it drain completely. I'll leave that open for quite a while because I've got a decent sized yard, and there's a lot of water that's captured in the irrigation lines. If I just kept it open for a short period of time, it's a very good chance that that pump the pump housing would refill with water, and I could still run the risk of it cracking. So I left this open for probably about 5 or 10 minutes until nothing else was coming out. So it's important to remember that what I just did was drain from the pump uphill to the irrigation points. I did not drain anything from the pump down into the water itself, and that's where we pull the water from to irrigate the yard. In the past, we've had issues where that PVC has frozen. Normally, they will drop the lake level on Lake Murray every winter from generally around 10 feet, sometimes a little bit more. But that PVC line is exposed. The lake, of course, doesn't freeze, but when the line is exposed because they've dropped the lake level, then it's subject to freezing, and have had that happen over the past couple of years with some of the harsh winters we've had. So I think what I'll do is cut the line and put a valve in the line. Ideally, what I would like to accomplish is to have the ability to drain from the pump to the PVC that's actually in the water. That's going to reduce the chances of that freezing should we have another harsh winter. I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Take care.